Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had fun with your sheep activities yesterday. Let's start our day with our good morning song. Good morning, all my friends, how are you? Good morning, all my friends, how are you? We are here to learn and play and have fun every day. Good morning, all my friends, how are you? Good morning, all my friends, how are you? Good morning, all my friends, how are you? We are here to learn and play and have fun every day. Good morning, all my friends, how are you? Boys and girls, today we're looking at the goat. So let's look at some information about the goat. We know that the goat stays on the farm, alright? They stay in goat pens. So here, have a look at this goat pen. Alright, this is a mommy goat and baby goats are called kids. Alright, so that's a kid. A baby goat is a kid. The goat makes what sound, boys and girls? Moo? No. Oink? No. What sound does the goat make? Ba. Ba. Alright, goats like to eat grass. So here is grass. And they also like apples. Alright, so goats like grass and apples. Alright, boys and girls. And the last thing we have is something that goats give us. They give us cheese. Oops, it's upside down. They give us cheese, goat cheese. Alright, so that's one of the things that goats give us. Alright, so now let's get started with today with our story time. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're well. Let's start our day with our story. Alright, our story for today is the 3 little goats that we are going to talk about, because today is the day that we are going to discuss the goat. Alright, so get ready for the story. Come sit down, put on your listening ears, and then we will start with our story. Alright, guys? Our story today is about the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Alright, you ready? Let's get started. Once upon a time, there were 3 Billy Goats Gruff. They lived in a valley in the hills. One day they saw a field of sweet green grass on the other side of the valley, so they decided to go there. To reach the valley, the 3 Billy Goats had to cross a river. There was only one bridge across the river, and underneath there lived a terrible grumpy troll. He never let anyone cross the bridge. He always gobbled them up for breakfast. The 3 goats made a plan. The smallest Billy Goat Gruff was the first to try and cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went his hooves as he walked across the bridge. "Who goes trip, trap over my bridge?" growled the troll from under the bridge. "It's only me, little Billy Goat Gruff," said the smallest goat. "Then I'm coming to eat you up," roared the troll. "Please don't eat me. I'm much too little," said the smallest Billy Goat Gruff. "My brother is coming after me, and he is much bigger." grunted the troll. Then I'll wait for him. Next, the medium-sized Billy Goat Gruff came over the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap went his hooves as he walked across the bridge. Who goes trip-trap over my bridge? Growled the troll from under the bridge. It's only me, medium-sized Billy Goat Gruff, said the goat. Then I'm coming to eat you up, roared the troll. Please don't eat me. I'm much too little, said the medium-sized Billy Goat. My brother is coming after me, and he is much bigger. Grunted the troll. Then I'll wait for him. Next, the biggest Billy Goat came over the bridge. Trip, trap, went his hooves. Who goes trip-trap over my bridge? Growled the troll from under the bridge. It is I, Big Billy Goat Gruff, said the goat. Then I'm coming to eat you up, roared the troll. Oh, no, you won't, the biggest goat shouted, and he lowered his horns and charged the troll. Smack! He butted him right over the edge of the bridge. The big Billy Goat Gruff joined his brothers. They found their field of sweet green grass and ate their fill. The end. So boys and girls, that was the story of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. The small goat, the medium goat, and the biggest goat. Alright, so you must enjoy the rest of your day's activities, and teacher will see you soon. Alright. Okay, so that was the story of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Yes, our number this week was 3. Can you show me 3 on your fingers? 3. Yes, 1, 2, and 3. So our number this week is 3. Alright, what teacher would like you to do is I would like you to write 3 in some rice this week. So you're going to write 3 in rice. Alright? Alright, boys and girls, you know that our number is 3 this week. We are going to write 3 in rice. So we start at the top. We go round and round. That's 3. Let's try again. Whoops. Shake, 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 shake. Here we go. Let's try again. Round and round. That's 3. Alright. And I want you to make 3 squares for teacher. 1, 2, 3. You see 3 squares? Here we go. So we're writing in rice this week. Alright. Moving on from that, you are going to do your goat craft, your toilet roll goat craft. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done. Alright, Mr. Goat. Can you see? Yes. So this is what Mr. Goat is going to look like when you are done with your goat. The teacher just see what your other activities are. Alrighty, so your last activity for today and for this week is going to be a movement activity. That is where you're going to be hopping like billy goats over the rocks. So that is a video the teacher added in for you as well. Guys, okay, we've done the Three Billy Goats Gruff story and our craft. Now we are going to do our movement activity where you are going to be hopping like the billy goats over the hill. Alright, see you in a moment. Alright guys, teacher Danielle is helping us with this hopping activity again. Alright.
Morning everyone.
Teacher Danielle, please stick your feet together. Alright, together teacher. There we go teacher. Now bend your knees teacher and hop. Good job. Boys and girls, you are going to be hopping on pillows. So there's the pillows. We've got 5 pillows outside. You sticking your feet together and you're going to hop on the pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, teacher Danielle. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun this week looking at all the different farm animals that we've covered. Alright, remember to do all the sounds. Enjoy these activities that we've planned for you. Boys and girls, be blessed this weekend. Stay safe. Stay with your masks on and remember to wash your hands. Alright, teacher, we'll see you next week where we talk about farm transport and some of the jobs we find on farms. Alright, bye guys.